Let's talk a little bit about Kyllinga. There's a lot of Kyllinga in this lawn here. There's a little patch right here. There's some patches here. Little bitty patch that's coming up here. And this is what it looks like when it's full grown. Kyllinga is considered to be a sedge. A distinct characteristic of Kyllinga is this. You have the little seed head, okay, a little seed ball here. And then right underneath that seed head will be 3 leaves, okay? So again, seed head, 3 leaves. That's a distinct characteristic of Kyllinga. In a lawn situation, you could use image to control Kyllinga. Read and follow the label. But in a situation like this, where it's growing around some of your desirable plants, the best thing would probably be to pull it out, right? Because you definitely don't want to use a chemical here because you might get it on your desirable plant. Here's a blueberry. So again, I would just pull as much of this Kyllinga out as possible. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.